So in this video, we'll be looking at the next element, which is the A element. We call it anchor tag. Anchor tag. Now, what is the anchor tag used for? In sites like, let me show you, you'll probably find anchor tags everywhere. If you go to, if this is on splash.com, every site you go to has, we have, where you click, you have to click on something. For instance, you click on maybe blog, you click on, if I click on this, it takes me to another page. I'm sure you're familiar with that. Let me look out for, okay. Okay, now, so I'm on my Facebook profile, just like you probably have the same thing. If you log in from your desktop or from your mobile, you have options here. If I click on friends, it takes me to a page where I can find, or where I see all my friends. If I click on groups, it takes me to a page where I find every group I have. If I click on this, it takes me to this is my page. It takes me there. If I click on just anything you click on, if I click on photo and video here, it takes me to a page where I can upload, a picture or a video. Look at this, all these things here, they all have anchor tag. They are all anchor tags, just that they are icons instead of normal text. There's a way you can make, instead of writing feed, I can put a logo there. You can see that we actually have logos here. I can decide that I only want a logo instead of writing something. So all of those are done with anchor tag. Once you click on something, it takes you to another page. Now, how do we achieve this? Okay, so let's just add something now. Let's add an H2 again. Oh my, sorry, not capital letter, should be small letters. H2. Anchor tags. Let's name it anchor tags. What is this? Okay, so the way to write an anchor tag is this. Just it's an A tag. My normal this thing, and I write just A, and I close it, and that is it. So every anchor tag comes with an href inside of the opening paragraph. Let me write. I can write, okay, check out my second HTML empty page. Now, one thing about anchor tags you should understand is that it is meant to direct you to a page. It is either a page you are building yourself or an external page. So we're going to start with a page we will build ourselves. So quickly, let's still inside this folder, we're going to open about page. About, remember, .html compulsorily, and I save, and it should open that up now. So just quickly, let's run our everything. Okay, let's change the title. Let's ignore the meta properties for now. Title is about job seekers. Remember, that's the name of our app. Inside here, we should have our main header, main, and footer. So I have the header, I have my main, and I have finally my footer. All right, now, so we have this page already, and we're going to save it. It formats automatically for me. Now, if I want to link, let's say for now, when I save this, as a matter of fact, what makes it valid is inside the opening tag of the anchor tag, there's a property called href. Href, not hreflang, but href. When you type href equals to so I don't know what to call this sign, but inside of it you add the link to the page. If it is a nested, if it is a self-built page, I want to add the link to this new page now. So I need to add the link to this page, and it's very simple. Because they are all inside the same folder, I'll just write about.html. About, can you see it pops it out? So about.html. inside the about.html, let's just write something so that we'll know that we're already in the new page. And h1 that says about page. All right, save. So we've connected this home page to our about page using this anchor tag. Remember, compulsorily you must have what we call href. Href is where you add the link to. So now I'm going to save. Where's our page? Job searcher. Now it's at the bottom. You can see, check out my second HTML empty page. Or we can actually let it have a reasonable text. Let's remove some of those guys. We don't need them for now. Okay, let's remove all these lists. We obviously don't need them. All right, so we can actually add something more sensible, something reasonable. So instead of writing checkout, let's just write about page. The save, refresh. Now this is it here. If I click on it, it takes me to the new page. Can you see? So any other page I've built, as long as I have an anchor tag. Now let's do something. In this about page, we're going to have another anchor tag that takes us back to home page. So let's just have another anchor tag that says back to home page. Now inside the opening tag of the anchor tag, we have our href equals to, and then that's, I don't know what to call it, apostrophe, something like that, and then we add the link to the home page, which is home, because it is a page we created by ourselves inside this folder, home.html, and I save that. So let's go back and try it. I refresh about page, we click on it, it takes us there. Back to home page, we click on it, it takes us there. So that is the first way to use anchor tags. Secondly, from your local page here that is not connected to the server, you can actually link to an external page. So in the next video, we're going to learn about how to link our page to an external page. See you in the next video.